Hi guys.
Say yes to learning and no to allergies. Act fast against allergies.
Ayo, angathi ndibvise mbijana. Angathi ndibvise mbijana ma. Guys, there is for 1.3, there's for 1.7, and mine is called the Omba. What? I don't know. This is permanent though. Those ones that last from 3 to 5 years, and it's 2,000. Yeah. So you do this, and you're gonna come back for retouch again after 6 weeks. Yeah. After 6 weeks, then you come back for a refill again.
Crowded spaces are the perfect breeding.
3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years. This is not microblading, guys. This one is called the Omba something. Ombre something. This is the permanent one. But we can't say permanent because I'm going to come back after 3 to 5 years.
After just a 10 to 15 minute
period. No, it's not painful. Not yet.
If it's back to business for you, ensuring your meeting area is a virus-free zone is simple with a 400ml aerosol folder of GSA Metro.
And it would be too easy for you to lie down. So she's doing what she knows best. I don't know.
No.
Is it not easy not to lie down?
Yes, we imagine them lying down and sitting up.
Okay.
And we prefer you sitting up.
All right.
Activating 70% alcohol-based aerosol surface spray in 100 or 400 ml is the optimum disinfectant for on-the-go users. Safe for use on personal devices and surfaces. Ensure viruses, germs and bacteria not travel home with you and should be kept in shopping centres and public areas.
Eunice, good
Family
say.
and home drinking safe with this highly effective aerosol disinfecting surface spray. Keep safe and sanitized with GSA Metro. Manufactured in South Africa, support local is lekker.
Muchandiguta mira indipedziwo. Muchandiguta nemaebros aya. You are laughing. What's it? But ke khale ba ntshega ka di eyebrows tsaka. Ya ka ba bolela hore ba tla bona mitlolo. Ka ke re ka di etsa yana.
Ba dira.
Gantse ke sa itse go di etsa go bona so gantse diposo tsa teng gantse di le dintsi thata so pele ba re yo bona the way o apareng ka teng mara sheba di eyebrows ke di batho ke etse yang ka gore a ke kgone go di etsa.
Now you got the doctor.
Yes. Now I don't have to worry. I don't have to worry anymore. Yeah, she knows her job, Shem. I can see that Bongi.
Huh?
I can actually see.
You can do what?
No, Kuri, they are complimenting her. You're already the way she's shaping. And how much is it? It depends. My son, from 1.3, 1.7, 2,000. So I'm going to 2,000. Ki microblading 1.3. Yo ndina kitsi fela mbolela mabane gore e tsamayang ka re ke batla e durang yona
Microblading.
a ke re tsere e durang ke yona best ka re ke batla yona ya 2000.
Microblading will last time for how long?
Microblading ndo yakaitwa zuva. Ini handisi kuitwa yazuva.
3 years.
3 years.
A year to 3 years.
A year to 3 years microblading. Inini yangu 3 to 5 years. Because zuva anogona kuita maeyebrows ake. Ini handigoni.
2 years. 1 to 2.
Eh.
Isso não precisa ir de lady tattoo no. Mas faz a pena. And then I have to tell okay for how long?
3 to 5 years.
Marajan waru work after
6 weeks.
and then
For retouch 1,900 ne?
1.2.
1.2. So I was going to bring 1.9.
It was a blessing.
so all in all is
After 6
3,000
weeks,
something.
yeah, all in all is close to 4,000, yeah.
3.2.
3 point something.
Every person every door one.
Nakifana hizo dilo za kudraw nakifoni. I tried but you
Yeah, beauty. Hey.
Don't pull them up, no? Don't raise your eyes.
Yo, when I worry it's so painful. It's not to say. I'm not scared of pain. No pain, no gain.
Okay, I'm coming.
I can feel excitement already.
Yeah, yo, you don't know what they were doing to me, yo, these are sisters of mine, yo. They would laugh at me like, yo. I must be prepared for the healing stage. It's so itchy. Really.
Yes.
And I don't even have to scratch.
You don't have to scratch. You just dab. You don't scratch. You don't.
So what do I do now when it's itching?
Just dab. Just dab. Don't try
Okay.
to scratch it. Dab.
Alright. Alright, mems. Isheonesu, yes. They are saying we are the best.
Yes, I thank you. Thank you.
But I'm not yet done yet, Miss. How can you say she's the best? I'm not yet done. Wait for the final touch.
So this does not tamper with your natural brows, no? The natural brows also, you'll have to choose, but now you have the shape. So you'll know where to choose and where not to choose, okay?
Alright. Because I have those bushy ones.
Yeah, I
here.
can see. And so I was saying, I can see you have bushy brows.
My Jo, which cream is that? Oh, she's saying she was given a cream. It helped with the itching.
Yeah,
Which
the
cream is
ointment.
that?
It's the ointment.
Do you sell it?
use Vaseline. We use different techniques.
Okay.
Technicians. We use different things.
Alright, and
I
whenever do you use...
prefer Vaseline blue soap.
Oh, Vaseline blue soap.
Yeah,
Alright.
that's what I prefer.
Okay, so you just put Vaseline like...
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the clip? That is the shape. Oh, you're not seeing. Sorry. I'm trying to. You can help yourself.
Hey, you guys are going to see me tall. Yeah, that's nice.
Are you sure? The size as well? Because I don't like big brows. You can always increase them, but you cannot decrease them. So I
Okay.
prefer you starting with a smaller size. If you want them bigger, you can always do it on your touch-up.
No problem.
But start with small ones so that you must also take note that this is something that you need to leave it
Yeah,
for 5
permanent
years.
for quite a
You
long
don't
time,
want
yeah.
it to be huge, right?
Yes.
Good.
True. No, you Joe. £200. Okay. You pay £200. You're it's expensive. You're in UK, but 2,000 a year, 2,000, 2 grand only, 2 grand. Linda Brooks, just anokuvhairira mfana. 2000 V 2000, but they have the microblading for 1.3, and then there's the other one for 1.7, and this one is ombre brows. These are ombre brows, and it's 2000. These are ombre brows 2000, but they have microblading. Microblading do a 1.3, and then kune a 1.7, and then kweta a 3. Yes. A 2000. So depend on last one.
I'm gonna ask you to log off a bit because we're going to start now.
Bye bye guys. See you. I'll come back later. I'll come back when she's done whatever that she wants to do. I'll come back.